Ready to unlock the power of Photoshop CS6 and start creating some amazing visuals? First things first, let's talk about how to get your hands on that crucial serial number. Since CS6 is older, you'll need to do some online sleuthing. Start by using a search engine. Things like Adobe Photoshop CS6 serial number, Photoshop CS6 activation code, or Photoshop CS6 license might get you closer. Be prepared to sift through plenty of search results. Now, here's the critical part. Make sure the serial number you find is from a legal source. The internet can be a wild place, and you want to make sure to stay away from anything that could be considered illegal. Research carefully and opt for authorized retailers or legitimate download sources. Once you have the product, follow the installation instructions for Photoshop CS6. When prompted, input the serial number. Double-check that you've entered it correctly. Case sensitivity can be an issue. Once Photoshop CS6 is installed and activated with your new serial number, launch the program, explore the user interface, and dive into the exciting world of photo editing and graphic design. Now, start your editing journey and explore your creativity. #Photoshop CS6 #serial numbers.